Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity from Ford. So before moving further with all the details, if you are new to the channel then we are Jobkar and here you will get videos on daily basis for different job recruitment and placement preparation. So consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. And with that note, let's quickly move further with today's video details. So Ford is hiring for the software engineer, then work as a software engineer in warranty services team. A great opportunity for person who wants to learn business as learn Java, Spring Boot, Node or tech stack. Selection criteria की अगर मैं बात करूँ, so you require Java with object-oriented analysis and design concepts, then work experience on GitHub, Jenkins, JUnit, a Gradle, Eclipse, IntelliJ, then the knowledge on PCF environment, knowledge on microservices architecture, hands-on experience on SQL, PSQL, then stunts, Spring MVC framework, WebSphere application server, then web services design development and hands-on in user stories creation and knowledge in agile software development methods. So these are the skills. Now qualification की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो BE, BTech and MCA people can apply. Responsibility देखते हैं, so software development engineer, experience with Java and Eclipse and IntelliJ, experience with software delivery tools, GitHub, and all these, learn and utilize cloud-based computing technology and capable of working in agile development and work with team members, work with new features, code development for dealer facing applications, and web services development, work with Java. And BE, BTech, and MCA people can apply. Here they have not mentioned any batch criteria, but here they have mentioned 2023 software engineer. So all the batches can apply because in the eligibility criteria they have not mentioned anything. So I will provide the link in the description box. So this is a great opportunity for all the BE, BTech and MCA pass out. You need to click on the link and click on the apply now button here and complete your application, and for further procedure they will coordinate you through a registered email ID. So this is all about the job opportunity. I hope you like the video, and if you do so then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.